Maryland's new firearm laws went into effect on October 1st. I'm Morgan Lay, an attorney licensed in Maryland and the District of Columbia, and I'm here to talk to you about the important aspects of the new gun laws, along with a few updates from the courts. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for access to more informational video on new and relevant legal issues. Let's start with a little bit of background about the new laws. The new Maryland gun laws are an overhaul to the prior laws in response to the Supreme Court's decision in Bruen last year, which struck down a New York law that required proper cause to obtain a permit as a violation of the Second Amendment. We are talking about a carry permit here. Maryland's good and substantial reason requirement for obtaining a carry permit was similar to New York's, and as a result, it too was deemed unconstitutional. After the law was struck down, the floodgates opened for people to obtain Maryland carry permits who were not previously eligible. In response, the legislature enacted laws to regulate where and how firearms may be carried and stored. Now I'm going to cover some of the most important changes in the new gun laws. First and foremost, handguns must now be carried concealed from view under or within an article of the person's clothing. Prior to the change in the law, there was no requirement that handguns had to be carried concealed. The momentary and inadvertent exposure of the imprint or outline of a handgun does not violate the law. A person may also not carry a firearm in an area for children or vulnerable individuals, which is defined as a preschool or kindergarten facility or the grounds of the facility, a private primary or secondary school or the grounds of the school, or a healthcare facility. A person may also not wear, carry, or transport a firearm in a government or public infrastructure area, defined as a building or any part of a building owned or leased by the government, a building of a public or private institution of higher education, a location being used as a polling place, an electric plant or electric storage facility, a gas plant, or a nuclear power plant facility. In addition, a person may not wear, carry, or transport a firearm in a special purpose area, defined as a location licensed to sell or dispense alcohol or marijuana for on-site consumption. Note, this provision is currently not enforceable due to ongoing federal litigation. A special purpose area also includes a stadium, a museum, a location used for an organized sporting or athletic event, a live theater performance, a musical concert or performance requiring payment or tickets for admission, an amusement park, a fair or carnival, a racetrack, or a video lottery facility. In addition, a person may not wear or carry a firearm within 1,000 feet of a public demonstration. This provision has also undergone litigation in the federal courts and may not currently be enforced. A person may not carry a firearm into another person's home without their express permission to do so. Violation of these portions of the new laws carry a penalty of up to a year in jail and/or a fine of up to $1,000. There are also new restrictions on how firearms must be stored. A person may not leave a firearm in a place where they knew or should have known that an unsupervised child under 16 has access to the firearm. A first violation of this part of the law carries a maximum penalty of up to $1,000. A second or subsequent violation renders a person ineligible to possess a firearm, just as if they had been convicted of a felony. You can expect there to be additional updates on the challenges to the new law. As with any evolving area of the law, time will tell how the courts are going to interpret and enforce these statutes. Again, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates on the new firearm laws and other informative content on new and evolving legal issues. I'm Morgan Lay. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.